Ah, fucking shit. They fucking wicked us. We're down, but not out. Don't let one loss break you. Round 2 here.
Order filled.
I'm adding.
Double down, never down.
That's the GP, baby.
I fucking called it.
That's profit.
Golden fucking pocket.
Locked in profit. No risk, no Rari. Good morning. How we doing today, guys? How's everybody doing today, man? It is Wednesday. We just had a big CPI. A nice big CPI move, huh, guys? We had a huge push up here. Huge push up here in the market. Massive move. Heading back towards that 19K, it looks like. So let's zoom out and see what we're looking at here. I'll do it on this chart. Put on some tunes real quick. All right. So what we have here, guys, we had a pretty big move up overnight. Well, not overnight, pretty much on CPI. And we are back to this big range that we were in, this big flag, right? We had a big move down, then a bear flag, and then a dump. So, tough spot. Tough spot. Unless you were long before CPI, it is definitely a tough spot here, man. So we'll have to see. Oh, excuse me. We'll have to see what we can do. By the way, guys, we are changing. Who has a Tradify account here? Who has a Tradify account? Let me know. Might have some crazy news for you guys. Yeah, a lot of you guys, good, because we're easing up on some rules, even though they weren't even bad rules to begin with. And even though some of them were just in place or said because we're new and we wanted to have, some checks and balances, things like certain DCA rules, daily loss limit, no news trading, stuff like that. Some of those will be being eased up or removed completely, either this Friday or by Monday. So, just making it a little easier for you guys to have some freedom if you want. Nick C, you know what song this is? It's peak. It's absolute peak, bro. Yeah, so we'll see what we're going to be doing. We're going to be making some changes soon. Kelly Ann mentioned you on recent video. Yep, we just recently partnered with her, got her on a affiliate. Happy to have her. She seems like she's doing some good reviews on props, so excited to have some people talk about us. Would the new rules be applied to existing accounts? Yeah, I think it should be, but we have to see still. Revolution like FTT. Listen, we're not trying to blow up like that right now. You can see that there's some issues over there with things like getting payouts quick and getting accounts quickly. So we're We're making sure. I will tell you guys this, when you get to the payout process, you guys are going to love it. It's smooth. With when you have a request, we expect a approval and withdrawal and payment within 24 hours. 48 max. So we are going to be, going hard on that. So we want to, we have a very good infrastructure here. We're going to scale up appropriately. And have a big push coming towards the end of the month and end of the year, of course. Anyway, we are hitting this level here, guys. This is a tough spot for me. I think we go up to like this 930 or so, which we kind of just did already. But it's not easy, in my opinion, to take a trade in this zone just because of all of this. I was confident we would come up here. Remember yesterday? We said we would short here, and this was the nice area to, or maybe it was here. Was it here? Yeah, it was here. Here yesterday, right? We hit this level right here, then we came up, made a higher low, and now we're pushing up again. But it's a tough spot, so I'm not going to look for much today. Probably just trade one con at a time, and look for just a little bit of gains today. When you have a big move up already on CPI, it's tough to continue up. All right. Anyway, sorry, I was just doing some things. Okay. So anyway, yeah, we're sitting at this hourly level, guys. I'm not too sure what we have. So let's go to the 15-minute. Look at it a little deeper. Maybe we get that rejection off that midpoint of that level that I was just talking about. But we'll have to see what happens. We don't really know what's going to happen here. Or not. Let me tweet out the live real quick. I didn't do that. Tweet out the live. We are live. Trading futures. Yo, who fucks with the shirt? Who fucks with the Sage mode? Kurama Sage mode, baby. You need to get a Bruce Buff cameo of that tweet. I really do. It's time for live trading. All right, market's open. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Ideally, want it to come down towards this 58 level. I'm gonna try one in at 58, guys. Oh no, I'm on micros. I'm on micros. No. I'm exiting. I'm on micros. I'm going in on 58. All right, here we go. 58. I got in at 56.75. I'm going to take this at 67 just for a quick little scalper here. 67. Boom. Did you guys get that? That was easy. Boom. Too easy. Everyone got this one, right? There's no way nobody didn't get that one. That was easy money. I think like that's all I'm looking for today, man. Like, all right, we're done. What was that? Was that even 1 minute? What was that, like 30 seconds? What if we knifed, though? Bro, why are you saying that? We didn't. That was the level to buy. Why you gotta act like, you know, what if? That was literally a snipe. Look. We were playing off of this level right here, right off of these highs. Came right down to the 20 EMA, sweeped a little bit below it, boom, swiped up on that 5-minute 20 EMA. And then look at that. Wow, still going up. That was a nice move. Could have caught a bigger move. Wow, what an anthem right there, but I'm not trying to feel that right now. I wish we followed with a stop instead. What do you mean? It didn't even go down. It went down 7 points? Not much. Oh yeah. I know, right? It's like all the trades that we take where we just it's like all the trades we take where we continuously raise the stop, we get stopped out. And all the trades that we don't continuously raise the stop and we just take profit, they keep going up. It's the way of the fucking water. It's the luck we have. Murphy's rule. I'm really not looking for much today though, guys, so I don't know. I don't know here, man. I'm gonna do this so everybody can see. I'm gonna switch to micros, okay? I'm gonna do 5 at a time. Lion with the lion. Probably just look for one more trade. See what we can find here. Give the market a little break for a second though. With the line. Today we had CPI this morning, guys. Excuse me, we had CPI this morning. Tomorrow we have PPI and jobs. And there's no other news today. Tomorrow we jump on the jobs report. You think so? I'm used to Rhythmic, so can I trade with Ninja on your company? Yes. But you can't use Rhythmic. I think there's certain people who need to understand a couple things. There's trading on Rhythmic with Ninja, and then there's trading on Ninja with TRADOVATE data. So you can trade on Ninja. Here they are. Here, you know what? Actually just shared this. Somebody who needed it. It's in our help center. I'll send it to you. I made a video. Here you go. Here's the video. Are you gonna start offering Rhythmic? I don't think so. There's so many problems at Rhythmic. We're gonna probably eventually in the future, but you can just use Ninja Trader and you can connect your bots. You can connect everything there. If you, well, what's the reason you like Rhythmic? Hey, Brett, I didn't see anywhere, so I apologize. Is there a profit split? Yes, it's 90-10. But you get the first 100. But you get the first 15K 100%. First 15K is 100%, which is pretty much all of your first payouts. Before we move you to live. Sim funded have any consistency? Guys, come on, please. Just go on the help center, man. Sim funded, straight to funded is 20% consistency. The other plans are 35%. If you take a challenge, it's 35%. Tobito, why are you talking about fucking Forex, bro? Why are you talking about Forex, man? Why do you have a consistency rule on challenge accounts? I don't have a consistency rule on challenge accounts. Guys, does it... Come on, guys. Why are people talking out of their ass before even looking stuff up? Man, this is... No wonder like Top Step and Apex get so much shit. That's crazy. Imagine being 100 times... They're probably 100 times bigger than we are, right? Maybe more. No wonder they got to deal with so much shit. I know. It must be so hard. It's 1 day to pass. How is there a consistency rule? Oh shit, guys. You guys remember when we would play this? Hey Brett, quick question. Is there any way I can trade with a paper account on the TRADOVATE accounts with your straight to funded accounts? Is there any way I can trade with a paper account? I don't know. Maybe you can use a trade copier. You can try to find one online. I don't know. It's a good question. I don't know how many people would use it though. You gotta understand, people are lazy and feel entitled. They're gonna ask questions for things they can find out by taking... Yeah, I know. Hey, it's our job as customer support, but sometimes the questions are just really lazy, man. Morning, Brett. Did you trade in a different group 4 or 5 years ago? I remember you were a leader. I mean, I've been everywhere, man. I had my own group, Simba Stocks. That was one of the first trading groups. All right, here we go. I'm trying this GP right here, guys. 707 right here, 5 micros. And I'm gonna look to go back towards these highs at 32. Oh, so close. Come on. There we go. Beautiful. We waited for the GP. We were patient, and boom, we nailed it, man. Probably can hold that one all the way up to fucking 50 or 60, but... Did you trade in a different group 4 or 5 years ago? Yeah, so I owned Simba Stocks, and I did Boiler Room, then I did Saiyan Stocks. I've helped in Stock Market Wolf over the years. I've helped in Stock Gains. Guys, where's the likes? Come on. Wow, yeah, why aren't we holding? Holy shit. What is with it? The ones that where we hold. Are you going to be strict about the rule you must trade at least once every week? William, you're like one of the there's only been like 2 people to ask that. I don't 99% of people are trading once every week. Yes, we are strict about it. If you need to take off, if you can't trade during the week, then just email us. But just fucking log in and open and close a micro, bro. Just log in and open and close a micro, man. Like, you're gonna win or lose $1. I think even on vacation, you can do that while you're taking a shit on vacation. You can just go on the app and hit buy market, sell market real quick. Again, I'm not trying to bitch you out or anything, man. I'm not trying to, you know. Oh, we don't care. You know, you can do that. I'm not telling you how to cheat. That's that. It's not cheating. So let me go over why that rule's in place. Let's go over it first. So guys, just to let you guys know, when you guys make an account with a prop firm, okay? Real talk, real quick. When you guys make an account, we don't own Rhythmic or TRADOVATE or any of that shit, right? Or whatever broker. When you guys sign up, we pay, as long as you have an active account, we pay a monthly fee to the broker for you. So there are costs. It's not like you guys, I think there's a misconception that people think like all the challenge fees just go directly to the business and they just pay payouts. Like, no, there's costs associated with you specifically, like fixed costs also. So if you guys don't trade on an account for like, you know, a couple weeks, and then that happens every first of the month. So like even worse, I love when Brett looks at the camera. So even worse, like one of the worst case scenarios actually is it happens on the first of the month or the previous month. So if you sign up like on the 25th of the month, we get charged, and then if you're still a member on the first of the month, we get charged again. So it's not a good it's not too nice for us, you know, to get those double charges. But basically the point of that rule is, so if you're not active on your account, we can close it out so we're not, you know, getting charged. What's the reset fee for buying the funded account? There is no reset fee. You just buy a new one. You would just buy a new one, bro. Brody. Brother man. I understand you incur costs. I was asking about scenarios like, what if someone comes up sick or goes on a long vacation? Yeah, in that rule, I completely know what you mean. In that rule, man, if you go to the bottom, it says maximum account idle time. We need you to make at least 1 trade per week to keep your account active and to avoid to avoid inactivity. If you can't meet this requirement because of vacation or other reasons, please inform us and we'll find a solution. Look, by no means am I going to close out your account. Listen, a lot of the stuff that we have in place on the website is to just have something in place for people who abuse it. Half of the shit, most of you guys might do once or twice. We don't even care. We really don't even care. That's why we're going to change it, maybe, because people are taking what we have out of context. It's like if you have a rule, you know, I don't know, don't take a cookie out of the cookie jar, and your kid takes 1 cookie, you're not going to fucking smack them, probably, the first time at least. But like, you know, you're all right. I don't know, that was a terrible example. But you guys get the gist, hopefully. Yeah, who took the fucking cookie? All right. Wow, we're already almost at the lows. We're at the 786. I don't know if it'll hold.
Ticking on the clock, yeah, you want more. Pushing back the apocalypse. Wildfire when they send me in. I'm unstoppable when I enter. I got lost in the hollows, I'm steady hitting, about to break through. In this flow state, I can promise you I'm unbeatable. Warning, target detected. Couple seconds and I'm elevated. Yeah, I'm locked in on my enemies, now my zenless level accelerating.
I think we understand you're looking for people who are abusing the system, not someone who goes outside the line. Exactly. Once you make enough profit, does the max trailing drawdown limit follow you forever? No. It locks when you get over the amount. Locks at whatever your balance was plus 100.
Goofy niggas trapping for 3 weeks and still ain't major shit. I got so much frost on this new rollie like I sprayed a wrist. No 36, we rock 41s, I day and data, bitch. Made me like 5 million in 1 year, bitch, I was made for this. Fuck the talk, I never do no lacking, up and spray the blick. Flashing that little jury at your show, we come and take it shit. Ooh, bitch, I do major shit. All this jewelry light up my whole neck, look like the Vegas Strip. Real roster bought me a new mansion, cost me 80 bricks. You in the streets and still.
Thanks for the answers. Yeah, no problem. Will you be coming out with a trading calendar on the dashboard so we can treat trading days? Yes, we're having that. Should be in a week or two. It'll have the here, I'll show you a preview. Want to see a preview? Show you. It's gonna say like this. It'll look something like this. All my homies play in the background because they ain't legit. Lot of habits, need to quit my cup, I can't be taking this. Ooh, yeah, I never fake with stick. Put me up a 3 in a cream soda, this a Fago twist. Niggas in the game and falling out. It'll look like this. And if you put your mouse on the eye, forget about 18. It's obvious. 18 should be green. You know, this is just a design. And if you put your mouse on the eye, it'll tell you how much profit you need to be under 20%. So it's gonna look like that. How do we calculate the stop loss on TRADOVATE? All right, man. Now you're asking questions that are just about you learning how to trade on the platform. You can go on YouTube for a video how to trade on TRADOVATE. Just reached 5% profit on funded growth account. Hopefully I can withdraw during the next payout window with 9 trading days. Unfortunately, not. But word on the street is the payout window might be extended one day, possibly, for those who are close. Because we need some fucking payouts, man. We need to get you guys some fucking payouts. Brett, if I'm deep into drawdown, does the consistency rule still apply for PAs? Yes. I mean, the rule is just your biggest day divided by total profit. So if you have a huge day and then you lose it all, that big day still counts, man. So you gotta get above it. Four days to go before our request. John Gomez, you can request a payout? Oh, dude, I would love to get some of you guys paid. I really want to. How lenient will you be on consistency rule? It says 30%, but I'm at 40% for biggest day. The rule is 35 for challenges and 20 for straight to funded. So what account are you on? QD, are you straight funded or a growth account or advanced? What the hell's going on here, man? Hold on a second, guys. Yeah, it's 20%, man.
I got sins on my mind and some M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love with 2 girls at one time and they tens. That's why I got 10 on my mind. I got M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. Should repent. I need me some Jesus in my life. Amen.
What if I made $2,000 on a day? Then you need 10K profit on street funded. That's why, guys, it's important to lock in small wins too.
Sometimes I scare myself. Shit could get menacing, frightening. Find help. Sometimes I scare myself.
Tweaking off that 2CB, huh?
Is he gonna make it TBD, huh? Thought I was gonna run DMC, huh? I done died and lived again on DMT, huh? See, this the type of high that won't come down. This the type of high that get you gunned down. Easy trolling OD, huh?
Right, why should I choose TRADOVATE when there are other props that have no consistency rule like TPT and one-day payouts? Okay, let's go over TPT, the best payout system in the entire prop space, but the hardest challenges in the entire prop space. Let's go over how it works. TPT, you need 5 trading days, 50% consistency. So you can pass in as little as 5 days. You have to make 50% of your account one day, 50% the next day, or 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, whatever. You need to that's a end of day drawdown on TPT challenge account. And then when you move to the funded account, it's a trailing drawdown. So they actually make it 3 times harder when you move from challenge to funded, which makes almost no sense. But the reason is because their payout system is great. So if you do make money that first day or second day, or that second day, because you have to get over the buffer again, then you can take same day payouts. You have to pass the challenge twice, and it gets harder on the second time for that to work. So it's not easy, man. It's not easy. But yes, they do have a great payout system. I'm not going to lie.
Sometimes I scare myself. Hey, hospital been 100 bands, fuck a watch. 100 grand and make your best friends turn to ops. I hear y'all bringing mine, aim up a notch. Guess I just turned the drought game up a notch. See, y'all really shocked, but I'm really not. You know how many girls I took to the titty shop? If she get the ass with it, that's a 50 pop. I still bring the bad bitches in the city, y'all. Just a different type of leader. We could be in North Korea. I could smoke a Wiz Khalifa. Told my wife I never seen it after I hit it by Felicia. That's the way that I'ma leave it up. See, this is why all the bitches fuck with they talk about. Sometimes I take me on myself, off mask, ask yourself. Shit could get menacing, frightening. Ask your homegirl right now. Look, you had a shot at Ye. I scared.
Toby McGuire got bit by a spider, but see, Nate, it was a go. You got to remember that prop firms make money on losing. If it were easy, make money with every prop firms wouldn't exist, someone said. Well, that's one aspect, but also finding ways to capitalize on your funded traders, which we hope to get to soon. If I were to buy the funded 50K account, when would be the first day I could request a payout if I was doing everything right? Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You could get a payout on the 1st of the month. So in 2.5 weeks. 2.5 weeks. Is there a Discord for Tradeify? It's coming either today or tomorrow. Today or tomorrow. Just verified myself for payouts. We're going to be ready for payout date. Nice, Eddie. Love it. The song is Fine Day by Keanu Silva. Mumbotron. I'll catch you later, man. Peace out. Brett, what's the most you paid someone out so far on TRADOVATE? 0. We haven't had a payout. We just launched 2 weeks ago, man. 2.5 weeks ago. Almost 3 now. I want to pay somebody out. It's almost the worst part right now. I should create an account and make the first payout. Bro, what are you smoking? Hitting the Finns game tomorrow, guys. I'm pumped. I'm hitting the Finns game. I need a Dolphins win and a Tyreek TD, baby. Don't get arrested. Oh my god, yo, free cheetah. Free cheetah. Maybe I'll take another one here. How about this? Break out the 20 EMA. 5 micros, guys. I'm gonna put the stop on this at 81. This will be my last one. It looks like it wants to break out. It might not. It looks like it wants to here, though. I'll risk a few dollars, and this will be the last one before I hop off, guys. Little preemptive. The better buy would be probably 95 up here, 95, 96. There we go. Raising the stop to 95. There we go. Raising the stop to 800. There we go. Raising the stop to 805.50. There we go. Nice. All right, guys. That's it for me today. Couple more dollars there. That is it for me. All right, guys. I hope you guys have a great day. Be on the lookout for some extra news regarding our prop on Twitter and on social media. Also, the Also, the Discord should be dropping today or tomorrow, all right? But that's it. How close are you looking at the consistency rule? Has to be exact, man. Below 20%. That's the consistency rule is the only rule on some prop firms because it just is the best rule. It's the best rule to have, so that's it. Why am I jumping? There's big news coming. What's big news? What's the big news? Like a little buffer of a few bucks. We'll see. I mean, you can submit it. We'll see what happens. But yeah, rules are rules, man. If it is what it is. We're removing some of them soon. So hopefully you guys will check those out, all right? But all right, guys, I hope you guys had a good day. Thank you guys for tuning in. We did good. We made back, I think, all the losses from the other day between these 2 days. And let's continue on Thursday, Friday with a good day, all right? Deuces, guys. Peace.